How to reverse audio in Ocenaudio. First of all, open your Ocenaudio software and load the audio file you want to reverse by clicking File and selecting Open. Once the file is open, you'll see the waveform of your audio. Next, highlight the part of the audio you want to reverse by clicking and dragging your cursor across the waveform. If you want to reverse the entire track, simply select the whole audio file by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Once you have made your selection, go to the Effects tab at the top of the screen and click on Reverse. This will instantly reverse the selected audio. You will notice the waveform flips indicating the audio is now reversed. Afterward, you can preview the reversed audio by clicking the play button. If you are satisfied with the result, you can save the file by clicking on File and then Save As. And that's it. Now you know how to reverse audio in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.